Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we will presenting about Booking System University, which is BSU under subject BTM 532, Managing Digital Transformation. By examining BSU through a hinge approach, we can identify what is working today, where the gap exists, and how targeted improvements can unlock significant digital transformation gains across UiTM. Before we start our presentation, we'll start with introduction ourselves. My name is Ahmad Fawaz and my partner is Farid Fikri bin Badrul Izham. We will look into overview of Booking System University, which is BSU. BSU is UiTM's unified digital ecosystem designed to schedule and manage physical assets such as laboratories, lecture halls, sport facilities, and share equipment. The system provides dedicated portals for students, academic staff, and administrators. This ensures each user group only accesses functions and facilities relevant to their role. BSU is built around three core capabilities. The first one, self-service management, which allows users to log in, search for available facilities, and make bookings online without visiting administrative offices or completing paper forms. Second, a smart rules engine that automatically enforces UiTM's booking policies in the background. By checking this eligibility, priority levels, time windows, and scheduling conflicts, this ensures faster, more consistent, and transparent approval. Third, they have an inventory management module that tracks equipment across departments, which enables staff to request items launched directly through the portal for PTJ related activities. With more than 170,000 students, UiTM users now expect Airbnb or Grab level speed, not paper forms or walk-in logbooks. The whole process is slow, error-prone, and carries PDPA risks. The BSU booking flow is UiTM's strategic answer to this shift. The first one, secure authentications. Users sign in with their UiTM ID and BSU automatically retrieves verified details while matching them with a real-time inventory of facilities and equipment. The second one is smart search and request. Users enter only essential information, availability is checked instantly, and conflicts are prevented automatically. The third, a rule-based approval. One clicks triggers policy-driven approvals, which cutting processing time and producing real-time usage data. Together, these three steps form UiTM digital backbone for making facilities management, making assets discoverable, bookable, and measurable from Sarawak to Shalam. Next, we will look into future trends in horizon scanning. Smart campus tech like AI, IoT, sensors, and dashboards demands clean booking data from BSU as the single source of truth to work effectively. Second, cost pressures are intense. UiTM must maximize labs, halls, and courts we already own, and optimize BSU is the key level to boost utilization without new bills. Finally, student expectations are shifted to they benchmark us against Grab or Airbnb, demanding instant app like self-service instead of days-long approvals. On this slide, we explain why the BSU booking workflow is so strategic for UiTM using 4 simple ideas. The first one, BSU is a high risk. It handles personal data and formal approvals, so strong PDPA compliance and controls are critical. Second one, BSU is a high volume. It is used daily by thousands of students and staff, so even small speed improvements greatly enhance the campus experience. Third, BSU is a high value. It controls access to expensive assets like labs, halls, and courts, and poor booking leads to waste capacity and unnecessary new bills. For one, BSU is a data rich. Every booking creates valuable data for analytics, smart scheduling, and better space planning. Next, we will look into internal audit in BSU. BSU operates as a web-based portal that is integrated with UiTM staff and student IDs. From a technical perspective, BSU is built on an in-house by Cold Fusion platform and is fully maintained by UiTM's ICT teams. This gives the university full control over the system, data, and infrastructure. However, from an internal audit perspective, a key weakness is the absence of a structured user feedback mechanism. Most feedback currently comes through informal channels such as WhatsApp messages or verbal comments. Because this feedback is not systematically captured or linked to the specific screens or steps, it can't be analyzed effectively. As a result, while BSU is technically stable, UiTM lacks clear insights into where users experience friction. This makes gap have a feedback loop, a critical gap in digital transformation. This slide also highlights the people and skills behind BSU. The frontline users are students and staff who already have a basic portal skills and expect fast, intuitive booking with minimal clicks. The process owners, including coordinators and heads of units, contribute strong administrative expertise and deep understanding of booking rules and priorities. Supporting them are the ICT and IT teams who manage security, maintain the database, produce reports to ensure BSU remains stable and reliable for all users. Let's take a look who is involved in BSU. First one, facility managers set time slots and rules. Second, the students and staff submit booking requests. The third one, head of units approve or reject them. Fourth one, support staff handle access and setup. Lastly, the ICT team maintains the system and fixes issues. Together, these roles show the many touch points in one BSU booking, explaining why an efficient digital workflow is critical. Our internal audit reveals that while the foundation is strong, we must now address 4 critical gaps to reach 2025 Smart Campus goal. First, we must eliminate human latency by implementing frictionless approval logic. Second, we need to resolve weak system integrations to unify our data ecosystem. Finally, by replacing ad hoc training with formalized change management, we turn our staff into resource orchestrators. We are moving from being data rich to insight driven through predictive forecasting. Let's turn BSU from a booking tool in strategy asset.
New model generation. We will discuss about how to improve BSU as a system. The first one is renovate the user experience. We want the user to navigate the system much more easily and not get confused. The second one is enhance performance optimization. We want to make the experience much more smoother and less lag. The third one is mobile first and responsive design. With most website traffic coming from mobile device, the site must be designed for smaller screen first, then scale up to this desktop. Improvement for current system. The first one is accessibility and understandable design. The current design is quite confusing and often misled. We want to make it much more easier to communicate to the user by having understandable design and symbols and intuitive guidelines. The second one is system security. This system will generally be used by UiTM staff, lecturer, and student, so the security must be ensured and improved upon. The third one is the sign in process. While the current system used to insert student or staff ID and password, we can make it easier by adding face recognition and fingerprint login. And the last one is notification. Notification is next to often hard to notice since it's a website and it has to be notified by via email usually, right? If the system became an app, then it would be easier to have notification as a standard like other apps. Recommendation. The first one is app integration. Having it to be an app would make the experience as a user much more easier and doesn't have to log in or search for the website every time you want to use it. The second one is AI checkbox. AI checkbox can be used as a temporary customer service to be asking questions or show guidelines to the user. It also available 24/7, so it isn't as a hassle as a traditional customer service. The third one is simple design. Simpler design of the websites like symbols can make it much more understandable for the first time user and everyday usage. Gap analysis. For the current state, it is common to have lacking intuitive design, lack customer support, and guidelines. For the future state, it will have a smooth experience, easy to navigate, and have an AI chatbox customer support for 24/7. And who does it benefit? It usually benefits your ITM student, staff, and lecturer. Weakness of the work process. The first one is UiTM's bureaucracy. Bureaucracy is a hassle to do. Endless approval processes that consume more time than result. Strict rules that has to be set up to follow, and often people needs to go through a confusion process of bureaucracy of where, who, and when to get approval. For the second one is budget. Often than not, UiTM has quite a budget issue. It makes it hard to get a budget to approve. In conclusion, BSU system is an important system for UiTM to function properly for booking something or places. Hence, it is important to upgrade the system and introduce new features. BSU has to be updated or reformed at some point in the future. The system will eventually become outdated and has to be either replaced or changed. Those discussed future will be a great investment on student and UiTM staff overall. Hopefully, they will listen to our feedback and improve not only PSU system, but all of the UiTM system and perhaps maybe merge PSU, iStudent, MyStudent, UFuture, etc. as a one app so it will be much more easier for everyone to use. Alright, that's all from us today. Thank you for watching until the end. Hopefully, you guys get informed from our video. Until next time, bye!